Hello lovely people, and welcome back to one more episode of my Instagram inspired makeup series. Today we're going to be recreating a look by somebody which you probably have heard of because she has quite a big following on her Instagram. She also has a makeup brand and her name is Linda Hallberg. I'm always getting really inspired by her, and the way that she does makeup is so unique. Her makeup looks remind me on the makeup that you will see on a model in a magazine or in a catwalk. The way that she applies eyeshadows and everything looks like she woke up with that makeup. It looks so natural. I admire that she can create a very intense, colorful look, and somehow she makes it look very wearable. Today, of course, as we all know, in this kind of videos, we're going a little bit more bold, so I decided to recreate this look of hers. Black lipstick, definitely something out of my comfort zone, you guys. I'm scared, I'm terrified, okay, but I'm also very excited because it's definitely not something that I'm wearing like every day. That combination of colors on her eyelids is gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer in the shade Light Rose, and I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyelids and use it as an eyeshadow primer. And I'll add just a very thin layer of powder on top of it just to set it in place before moving on to the eyeshadows. There are so many components in this look. I'm gonna start off with the orange part that she has under her brow. So I'm taking my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and with a small brush like this one, I'm gonna pack that orange shade under my brow. Just patting that eyeshadow here so that I can get very nice and intense color. And this look is very balanced. Like, okay, it's colorful, it's fun, but it's also like you need to keep it not so colorful. Like, it's colorful, but I should not go crazy with the colors. That makes no sense. As you can tell, I'm already getting very anxious about this look, but I have a new pimple right here, like right here next to my eye. And I really wish you guys couldn't see it, but it's quite visible. I'm gonna try to cover it up a little bit later on. Her orange is very saturated. Mine is like, okay, it can definitely be better. This is the Be Perfect Carnival palette by Stacey Marie, and I'm gonna mix these two shades. Okay, here we go. Something like that looks pretty good to me. That little pimple there, it's painful. Why though? See, I'm taking care of my skin, and what it does in return, here, take this pimple. And here, take this one too. And here, pimples everywhere. That's not fair, skin. I'm not treating you like that. Why are you so bad with me? Okay, now we're gonna move on with, what's that color? It's like bluish purple kind of shade. I'm gonna take a mixture of this shade right here and this one on an angled brush. Okay, and I'm gonna create kind of like a sharp line, which is going to go something like that. I'm really unprepared for this kind of look. No, I think that something went terribly wrong. I think I bring that orange color way too far, so I just wanna be a little bit more light-handed with it and redo it again. So, same thing. Concealer, priming the eyes, blending it, setting it with powder. I look so weird with that leftover of orange just at the beginning of my brows. But we can call this a look, I think, like flaming eyebrows. Let's take a different approach to the things. So, I'm gonna start off by creating that little tiny bit of blue, kind of mapping it out. So I know that I shouldn't bring that orange color further than this. Okay, and adding that orangey shade. So I'm taking some of this shade. This is again that Stacey Marie eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna blend it right above that pencil that I applied on my eyes. And next up, I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection L'Amour palette, and with a pencil brush, I'll take some of the white shade. This is one of the whitest eyeshadows that I own, and this is going right on my brow bone right here, and blending it also on that purple shade, just to brighten it up a little bit. Next up, I'm taking some concealer and I'll go ahead and clean up the crease here. I moved a little bit forward with this eye because I wanted to see how the look is coming out, if I'm gonna like it or not, you know, just to get an idea if I'm going to finish up this video or I'm gonna leave it right here, right now, and go do something else and film it another day. But I like how it's coming out. I think that we are on a good way. Next up, I'm taking this Milani Gilded Desires eyeshadow palette, dipping my little tiny brush in the black shade right here, tapping out the excess, and I'm gonna map out that kind of winged cat eye. Going back to that BH Cosmetics Taking Back to Brazil palette, I'm gonna take some of this shade. Oh la la! I think you can already tell where this is going. Now I'm gonna take a mixture of this color and this one. Now all I need to do is to make this nice and sharp and neat. I'm pretty happy with how this look is coming up. I feel like this look probably took Linda like 10 to 15 minutes to do it, where here I am hour and a half later trying to perfect it. But you know what, I'm doing actually a recreation, so I want to take that as an excuse for taking that long. Let me see what else we gotta do. Alright, I really like the pop of green right here. I think it's really pretty. And now let's go ahead and move on to the eyeliner. I'll go with the Benefit Roller Liner eyeliner. Wow. And this is actually the first time that I'm using it. The more stuff I keep adding to this look, the more I like how it's coming out. I also added a pair of false lashes. These are the Huda Beauty in the style Farah. They're gorgeous, by the way, so fluffy and long. Now for the lower lashes, oh my god, I love how she's playing with the colors. Like, see, she added that orangey shade under the brow, but she also added it in the outer half of the lower lash line. And that's so cool because that looks like that orangey shade is framing the eye. BH Cosmetics Taking Back to Brazil, grabbing some of that orangey shade. I'm gonna do the same mixture that I did at the beginning with these two shades. Diffusing it a little bit with a fluffy brush. And now some of that lime color. So I'm mixing these two colors. And this is going in the inner corner. I love that. Coating the lashes with some mascara. And some white pencil in the waterline. I think my microphone is running out of battery. Oh, it's okay. It's good. We're good. There is eyeliner all over my thumb. No, it's actually mascara. I love the colors of today's look. I think that I said that so many times, but I love the mixture of these colors. I would never put together like orange and blue and green. Like, these are not usually the colors that I would use for a makeup look. I wouldn't put them all together for a certain makeup look. But I'm absolutely loving how they look together. Wow. Okay, so she also has some blush, very soft contour. Maybe she didn't even use any contour. Maybe that's her cheek, the shadow of her cheekbone. But I'm gonna add a little bit of a contour, a little bit of a blush, maybe some highlighter. She has some very subtle highlighter, so I'm gonna try to copy that. This is the same highlighter that I use on my face. It's the Makiage Mineral Baked Highlighter in Halo. And I'm gonna load a small brush with it. I'm gonna spray it with the Makeup Fixer by Ofra. just to get that brush really nice and damp. And I will add that in the inner corner of my eyes. Alright, and I think that we're all done except for the lipstick. I'm getting nervous, okay? I'm getting very nervous. I don't have a black lipstick, okay? It's a pretty rare color for a lipstick. However, I think that I had a offer lipstick in black, but with the moving process, I think that I lost it somewhere. It was in their old packaging, so I can't find it, okay? So I'm gonna use whatever I have. I actually found black lipstick. This is the CoverGirl Queen Collection major shade in... I don't know what's the shade, but obviously it's black, so I'm gonna use it today. Now for lip liner, who makes black lip liners, right? I'm gonna use an eye pencil for that. Don't tell anybody. This is going to be our little secret. Oh, this is so unusual. The thing with black pencil is that even if you mess up just a little bit, it's going to be super obvious. This smells kind of nice. It's like bubblegum. And I'm gonna finish up this look with some lip gloss. This one, oh, this one is by Fenty Beauty. I'm just gonna take some of it on the back of my hand, and with a small lip brush, I'm gonna apply it on my lips because I don't wanna get the doll foot covered in black lipstick, you know? And this is our final look, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really hope you like the look. I really hope I don't have lipstick on my teeth. It's so annoying. Wow, well look, who am I? I look myself on the screen and I'm like, wow, is that me? I feel like this look transformed me into a different human. It's definitely a look that it's very, very out of my comfort zone. It's so colorful, so carnival, and again, the colors that we included, the colors that we mixed together, such a nice combo. It's such an intense and dramatic look. I can't wait to take some photos from my Instagram. You can definitely tell that there are some differences in her look and my recreation of the look. I mean, at the end, it's a recreation, it's not a copy, right? I love how it came out. I don't really care about that. I think that I have lipstick on my teeth. Oh my god, it's everywhere. My eyes look like some kind of a very poisonous, very dangerous butterfly. Are there poisonous butterflies? I have no idea. There probably are, right? I need to Google that. I'm getting into a very different topic now, okay. Anyways, definitely go follow Linda on her Instagram. I'm gonna have a link to her Instagram down in the description box. She is very talented and I think that you guys will get very inspired by her work. If you enjoyed watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to press that bell button right next to the subscribe button because that way you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also go ahead and find me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All of the links are down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!